London Trader here, and I'm back with another video. Firstly, thanks for stopping at my channel. If you haven't done so already, please like this video, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That really helps me out. Just a quick video today about Earn to Trade, but before we get on to that, I just want to let you know that I've got my own website set up now, thelondontrader.co.uk. Very simple website, just got a few blog posts on there. There's an email subscription form on there, no spams or anything like that, if you sign up to that, I will just email you when there's new promotions from the funding allocators from both Forex and futures. A little bit about me: Forex funding, FTMO, my Forex funds, the Fivers, and some key account metrics for those, and the same with the futures funding, key account metrics on them all, so you can just get a brief overview of each funding opportunity and which one suits you best. And finally, the current promotions. At the minute, we're holding a 50% off until the 5th of January exclusively for the London Trader readers for Apex Trader, using this coupon code here. Use that at checkout to get that. And there's a few other here: Lilu, Savius, and I've also just got one with Earn to Trade, so my website will be updated with that shortly. Earn to Trade, for those of you that don't know, it's a futures online funding firm. Really good one, actually. They're currently offering a $99 evaluation fund for the $50,000 account. However, with my subscription and the link that I can send you, which I'll put in the description below, you can get 20% off any evaluation. So what is Earn to Trade? They've got a couple of different options. They've got the Gauntlet and the Gauntlet Mini. I'll be discussing the Gauntlet Mini today, which is what most of you are familiar with. So key points get funded after as little as 15 trading days. It's all intraday, so no overnight holds. You get access to a beginner's crash course. You get access to Journalytics. If you don't know what that is, that's a trade log or trade journal that's been built by the founders of Jigsaw. You get a simulated account as well as your evaluation account, and there's some strict risk management rules which we'll go through soon, and then you get funded by a third-party proprietary trading firm. Now, the key thing to note on this is that this third-party firm now brokers through EdgeClear, which is why I've recently gone to Earn to Trade, because my private account is with EdgeClear anyway. For those of you that don't know, EdgeClear is a futures broker based out of Chicago, and it's run by Morad Askar, more famously known as Futures Trader 71. Very big in the retail futures space. So he's not going to put his name to something that is a little bit suspect. So that's given me a lot of confidence in Earn to Trade, and more importantly, the funding allocators that they use. So let's have a little look then. So we go to get funded. Gauntlet Mini. So accounts range from 25,000 up to 150. As we've already said, 15 days trading, and then you get your account. So these are with my discounts already applied to it. You see that the current promotion they're running at the minute is actually better than mine. So when you use my link, it'll always show you the lowest price possible, not just for what my specific link gives you. However, you notice that all the others are 20% discounted. So with my link, you can get a discount on every single one that you want. So yeah, very simple. So we'll go with 150k, as that's one of the more popular ones. Profit goal 9 grand. End of day drawdown 4.5 grand, with a daily loss limit of 3,300. You can trade up to 15 contracts. However, there is a progression ladder, and then you get access to the Finemark trading platform if you want it, and also you get a Ninja Trader license as well if you want that. Good thing about Finemark though is if you're running on a Mac, you can use native software through Finemark instead of having to run Parallels or use a Windows computer to run Rithmic. So that's pretty cool. And then you obviously get your data fees that are free, and your Journalytics license, which is free as well. So profit goal, pretty straightforward. Your net balance after commissions, etc., has to reach this target here. The end of day drawdown, this is a little bit nuanced. So where are the rules? Oops, sorry. So if I open this in another tab, how does the drawdown work? So this is quite important for you to realise. Okay, so this is end of day drawdown. So what that means is that if you're in a trade and you're up, say, $1,000, and then you end up scratching it, your end of drawdown will not have changed. However, your intraday drawdown will have changed. Okay, so that's really important. So it kind of means that if you're one of these traders that scales like I do and you leave a runner on, you have to be aware of your intraday drawdown, but that will not count once you clear overnight. So yeah, just bear that in mind. If you're not entirely sure, just read through these examples, but it's really important that you get that. And that is a massive plus for Earn to Trade, because most people will use the account drawdown the same way they run the daily drawdown. So you don't want to be caught out with that. So Earn to Trade actually gives you some leeway here, so it's really good. The daily loss limit is as normal, open and close positions trailing. So yeah, if you're up 1,000 and then you scratch it, you've lost $1,000 of your available daily drawdown. So just bear that in mind. What I do like here is that they have a progression ladder in place, so you can't just go in and launch 15 contracts straight away and try and get lucky. You start with only 4, and to be honest, if you're trading something like the ES, then 3 contracts is absolutely fine, and you'll easily be able to hit the profit target with that. And I mean, Nasdaq, if you're trading 3 lots on the Nasdaq, yeah, I mean, you don't need any more than 3 to get anywhere near the 9k profit target. So that's not an issue, and that'll help you with a little bit of your discipline as well, not just getting too emotionally involved in revenge trading and oversizing and all that other kind of stuff. So approved times, it's basically just the times that the markets are open, so that's really good. There's no restrictions around news or anything like that, so it's really straightforward. And then the only other one they do is they have a maintain consistency rule. Now this means that no single day can account for more than 30% of your total P&L. So they use the 100k example here, which is $7,000 for the target. But if a single trading day accounts for $4,000, which is more than 30%, the evaluation is not yet finished when you reach the profit target. You have to keep going until that 4,000 is 30% or less. And then they've got a little diagram about that here. So it just basically means you just got to take small little bits out of the market and try not to push it too much on good days, which is a bit frustrating, but I see the logic behind it. They basically just don't want you to go in, throw some size in there and then get lucky on a trade. So it's pretty straightforward. Yeah, and then that's it. Trade for a minimum of 15 days and then you're in. Job done. So it's a really, really good product. I'm actually in the evaluation at the minute. That was what my NFP trade was on yesterday, so I'll keep you updated with how that's going. Yeah, so if you want to have a go at this and you want to use the discounts that I've got available, just click the link in the description below. Well, that's about it. So thanks very much for stopping by. Remember, please trade safe and trade your edge, because I know these are volatile markets at the minute. Take care, have a good weekend. Bye bye.